Got an old phone lying around? We buy iPhones, MacBooks, iPads, and all electronics. Yep, we offer cash for iPhones. Fast and simple. And if your phone's broken, we can fix it without costing you much. Everything in one place at P&M Electronics. Buy, sell, repair.
The new iPhone 17 just launched, and now I'm wondering, where can I sell my old iPhone 15 for the best price here in Sacramento? Wait, P&M Electronics? They actually buy iPhones! Maybe this is exactly what I was looking for. As soon as I walked in, I knew I came to the right place. The team at P&M Electronics was super friendly and ready to help me get a quick quote for my iPhone 15. They checked my phone, gave me a great offer, and within minutes, I got paid on the spot. I didn't expect it to be this quick and easy.
If you're in Sacramento and planning to sell your iPhone, just visit P&M Electronics. Trust me, it's the easiest way to upgrade and get paid fast.
Hi, I run a small online business from home. I pack my orders here, talk to customers here, and I do most of my work on this MacBook.
With time, my MacBook just started slowing down. And when you're running a business, you really feel that. I didn't want to sell my MacBook just anywhere. You know how some places feel unsure or confusing? I wanted a place that felt real, simple, and safe. So I started looking for a shop near Sacramento that could help me out.
That's when I came across P&M Electronics. It was close by, had good reviews, and just felt like the right place to try. When I went to P&M Electronics, the people there were really kind. No pressure, no stress. They just listened and helped me out.
They checked my MacBook and gave me a price that felt fair. No bargaining, no hassle. It honestly felt really good.
I highly recommend P&M Electronics if you're planning to sell your device. They really take care of you.
Okay, real talk. I love this phone, but it's getting slow and I'm ready for something new. Problem is, I didn't want to get ripped off selling it. That's why I came to P&M Electronics. They pay cash for iPhones, MacBooks, iPads, even Samsung phones.
Super quick, super easy, paths of all non-post slacks, and yeah, I got way more than I expected.
If you're upgrading, start here. Trust me, you'll thank yourself.
Carmichael. Stop scrolling. This is your quick announcement. Listen up. If you have an iPhone, a MacBook, or any Samsung devices, used, new, cracked, or even carrier locked, we turn that unused tech into max cash. We're talking top dollar. And we pay you instantly, no waiting around. Click the link below right now for a quote that beats the competition. Or visit us here in Carmichael today.
Top 5 reasons to sell your iPhone to P&M Electronics. Today, number 1, get the best competitive offers for your iPhone with P&M Electronics transparent pricing. Number 2, enjoy a hassle-free selling process designed to save you time and effort. Number 3, receive instant payments once your iPhone sale is confirmed. No waiting required. Number 4, your data is fully protected and securely erased before being resold or recycled. Number 5, contribute to eco-friendly practices by recycling your iPhone responsibly with P&M Electronics. Sell your iPhone with P&M Electronics for a smart, secure, and eco-friendly experience.